Take my throne, I got no rival. Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival.
Start debooking with our number 4. And I already went ahead and did the shear work, so I'm just blending into what I created. The trimmers create our bald line. No guard, lever open.
Are you ready to take your barbering journey to the next level? Subscribe to my barber channel today and unlock a world of inspiration, education, and growth in the art of barbering.
I'll grab our one, open it. Looking into that weight already, light pressure, that corner work, you already know. 1.5, gonna open it. Just kind of finish the transition.
The video you are currently watching, that's thumbnail, has an amazing content with cool and new tips being taught in it. Be sure to check out this video through the link provided at the top of the page or the link pinned in the comments.
The goal with the 1.5 in this situation is pretty much just blending in the fade to the top part of the haircut. Obviously there will be some spots that are a little harder to get to, but that's where, you know, you can go in with a 2 or a clipper or a comb. Thinning shears. Now we're gonna go in with our 1/2 to remove this middle line we have in there. And start open, and then just lever play as you need. It should take it out just because this guideline was a 1 open, so this is way shorter. It'll take it out. And if you make a line above, like right here, just use a 1. Don't even bother like flicking out this 1/2 guard and make it worse. Yes, sir. All right, next guideline, or next, detailing part would be the 1 open. Got some dark spots in this middle area. We're gonna tackle those. Remember, the goal is to just create no other guidelines, so just take your time, flick out, only hit the spots that need to be touched up. Forward. You know, gives a better transition and it'll last a little longer. Just make sure that when you get close to the line, you're flicking out. Light pressure. So when you come in with the trimmers, just kind of take that out. And whatever this doesn't grab, I'll just go in with my clipper. Final step would be just, hit this bottom line with no guard, and then just lever play. But with this part, you have to be real careful, no pressure. Flicking out, just using your corners.